Are you a writer aiming to hone your craft in travel writing, or do you aspire to be one? Hi, welcome to the course Mastering the Art of Travel Writing, your comprehensive guide to the techniques of travel writing designed in tandem with modern trends while also integrating the age-old art of storytelling at its very best. As we move ahead in this journey, you'll get to know the how-tos and the secrets behind this wonderful art. Upon the completion of this course, you'll be ready in no time to conquer the world with the might of your pen. Although this course focuses on the specific niche of travel writing, the principles you learn along the way will help you become a better writer, a traveler, and in the long run, a better human being who sees the world with different eyes. We'll be more than happy to have your valuable feedback on how we could make this course more useful to you. Please leave us your comments, and we would also be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Ready? Fasten your seat belts. Here we go. Meet your co-traveler in this journey, Vidhu Rashmi Jain, the course designer who's mastered the art with her distinctive style of travel writing and, in the process, won several accolades. Let's tread the path of a travel writer. In this journey, you learn and experience the craft of travel writing. We'll create great stories together and weave magic through our words that will cast a bewitching spell on the readers. Apart from learning the ins and outs of travel writing, we'll also learn the art of pitching your ideas and content to publishers and the ways of effectively marketing your travel content. In a nutshell, this course will bring you the pearls of wisdom and help you realize your cherished dreams of becoming a professional travel writer. Let's get started. The fundamental question: what is writing? It's important to take a pause to understand what writing really is. Stop, think. Is writing simply penning down your thoughts, or is it something different, much deeper? This timeless quote speaks everything about what writing really is. Silence. Your goal as a writer is to inspire that moment of sheer joy in your reader when words give way to silence and silence speaks. This indeed is the magic of writing. A writer wanders his own mind. It's all about traversing the lanes inside your psyche and collecting the thoughts you encounter. What makes any piece of writing significant is the story that drives it. But what makes a good story? Well, if your words make the reader ask, "What's next?" then, my friend, you are on the right path. Too many people make the mistake of writing aimlessly. If your readers get distracted every now and then reading content, the writing misses its mark. It has to be meaningful, and most importantly, it has to be interesting. Once you've made up your mind to be a writer, the next question popping up is which niche to choose. This is largely a question of interest and personal liking, but there's no question you must be really good at the subject you choose. If the field of writing you choose isn't your passion enough, where will that spark to ignite your mind come from? In this course, we are focusing on a very interesting genre of writing, the travel writing niche. Let's break the word travel writing into two. You get travel and you get writing. Travel. We can see that smile lighting up your face. This is the power of a journey, of travel. Travel is all about epic journeys. Journeys undertaken for any purpose or simply without a purpose. Experiences define travel. Remember that journey when you went with your loved ones? To the jungle, to the mountains, to the seas, to the desert. The memories still bring moments of nostalgia as the spirit of travel takes over. The journey and the experience make travel. You got to capture this very essence in your writing. Your words will spell magic if they are well chosen and mesmerize the readers with the stories they knit. Once upon a time moments will always be more fascinating than a bland description of flowery words put together. Stories and the magic of words work hand in hand to create content that captivates attention and places people right in the middle of the action. Readers will never fail to relate with great writing. This is the moment of truth. This is the basic formula of travel writing that's hidden in the very words themselves. Easy, isn't it? Your stories will take people places to join epic journeys that will result in experiences of a lifetime for your readers, helping them know and learn, unfolding the mysteries of life in the process. Then, dear traveler, you have succeeded in your endeavors to become a great travel writer. If you thought travel writing is indivisible, think again. There are numerous micro niches in this genre of writing, and there are writers specializing in these different micro niches as well. So you know how extensive these are. You can write travelogues, travel guides, and itineraries, which will help readers understand the basics of a location when they make their travel plans. Do you love tasting different foods and experiencing varied cuisines? Here's an opportunity for you to savor gastronomic delights and tangle the taste buds of your readers too. Some writers want to delve deeper and intermingle with cultures so diversified and varied. Heritage and culture niches definitely need great writers who help document the vibrant cultures and traditions of our world, many of which need immediate preservation and care. As varied as our world are the religious and spiritual beliefs and practices, there's so much to discover. There are practices and traditions which most people the world over have never heard of, but would definitely want to know. All they want is a great wordsmith. Adventure travel is the haunt of those seeking adrenaline rush, and adventure travel writers give them their due dose. Biking, trekking, rafting, snorkeling, scuba diving. Your readers might have only heard of these words, but believe us, they would be only too curious to walk in your footsteps as you show them the way. There's a hidden storyteller in each one of us. It might have been in slumber, trying to come out. It's time now to break the ice and let the storyteller in you unleash great stories and experiences. For that is what travel writing is all about.